Hello everyone, my name is David Richard from Weekly Tools, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the Autel MK808 diagnostic scanner. In this video, I'm going to go over all the features and functions of this powerful tool, and give you my honest opinion on whether it's worth your investment. Firstly, let's talk about the design and user interface of the MK808. It has a large 7-inch touchscreen display, which is easy to navigate through different menus and options. The user interface is very intuitive and user-friendly, so even if you're not an experienced mechanic, you can still use it. Now, let's discuss the compatibility and diagnostic capabilities of the MK808. It's compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, and SUVs from different manufacturers. It supports a variety of diagnostic functions, including reading and clearing fault codes, viewing live data, and performing various system tests. This means that you can diagnose and fix problems with your vehicle's engine, transmission, ABS, seniors, and other systems. The MK808 also comes with a built-in Wi-Fi module, which allows you to connect it to your home or office network, and then download the latest software updates and vehicle coverage information directly from Autel's servers. This ensures that your scanner is always up to date and can diagnose the latest vehicles and systems. One of the standout features of the MK808 is its advanced bidirectional control capabilities. This allows you to actuate various components of your vehicle's systems, such as the fuel pump, radiator fan, and power windows, to name just a few. This feature is very useful for testing and troubleshooting various components and systems. In addition to the above features, the MK808 also has a wide range of other functions, including oil reset, EPB service, DPF regeneration, SAS calibration, and more. It also has a built-in battery that allows you to use it without needing to connect it to a power source. Overall, I'm very impressed with the Autel MK808 diagnostic scanner. It's easy to use, versatile, and packed with advanced features that make it a great value for the money. So if you're looking for a reliable and powerful diagnostic tool, the MK808 is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this review helpful.